Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pecan brittle. First, let's get everything ready. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This prevents sticking. Measure out all your ingredients, including 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 cup of chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda ready. Candy making moves quickly, so preparation is key. Now let's start cooking. In a heavy 2-quart saucepan, combine your measured sugar, corn syrup, water, and salt. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, insert a candy thermometer into the mixture. Increase the heat to medium-high and continue cooking, stirring frequently until the thermometer reads 290 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your mixture hits 290 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add the pecans. Stir in 1 cup of chopped pecans and continue cooking, stirring constantly until the candy thermometer reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for the perfect brittle texture. Immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The mixture will froth up and lighten in color. Time is of the essence for this final step. Immediately pour the hot, foamy, brittle mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Using a rubber spatula, quickly spread the mixture as thinly and evenly as possible across the sheet. Let the brittle cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or until it is fully hardened. Once firm, simply snap or break the brittle into delicious, irregular pieces. Enjoy your homemade pecan brittle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.